So today I went to buy SSD here, this one. My laptop has a 1 terabyte HDD. It's very slow when I edit video, so I got this SSD, Samsung SSD. It's an internal SSD. It's you're supposed to put this into your computer desktop or in the back of this laptop. But I want to use it as an external one. I could use a USB line to connect, so I got this one. Okay, just to show you what you have in there. I was very confused when I was trying to find information about these hard drives. I just have no idea. So when you buy this SSD, you get the SSD. Of course, it's super light, super tiny. And you get a disk installation and some instructions. Yeah. And this is installation guide. Here it's look this picture. It has this dot cable, but it's not included. It's not included in here. So if you want to use it directly as external, you can actually just buy this, I think, and just plug it in here, and you can use USB to connect with your laptop. But no, it's not included. So yeah, I got this one. This is a hard drive case. Let's open it. I already opened it. Let's see what you get here, and we're gonna test if it works. This is the case, metal case. Oh. Open. Come on. Rubber protection. The cable. What was that? A teeny tiny little screwdriver is included, so you can unscrew this case and put the SSD inside. Okay, we're gonna do it now. It's here. Just unscrew it. It's very easy to unscrew. Okay. Oh, come off. Come off. Yeah, it's long. Okay. This one. So I will test if it works. I'll try to edit a video and see if it boost my speed. Because now when I edit video on my laptop, it's very slow. When I drag it around on the timeline, it lags. It just doesn't do it properly. So I'm gonna just plug it in. From where? I don't know. Can't see it. Am I supposed to open this as well? Okay, let's open both sides, so we'll be sure. Open this side. I should actually read the installation guide. Okay. Another one, last one. This one's hard. I don't want to make a 30 minutes video of me just unscrewing this. Or maybe it's unnecessary to open it. I'll just plug it in and see what happens. I don't even know which side. Come on. Huh. So it's plugged in. Seems right. Let's open this. So I didn't have to open the other side, which is good news. I don't want to damage this thing. Now let's plug in the cable. connect it with the computer. We'll see how fast it goes. Now it's a little shaky, obviously because I unscrewed 3 of the screws. It'll be fine later, I suppose. Okay, it's connected. Let me find something. No, doesn't recognize. It's really difficult to unscrew this one. It's so tiny and so tight. If it doesn't match, it's not supposed to like click in. It definitely clicked. It's inside. It doesn't. Do I need to install first? Maybe that's the reason. So we need to install this first. Finally got this thing open in case I used a knife to unscrew it. So it's like this, and right now I'm trying to install the SSD software. I don't know. Yeah, let's see. After installing, maybe it works, because now my computer doesn't recognize this thing. My computer doesn't recognize. If my computer doesn't recognize the SSD, I cannot use it, right? It doesn't matter what case you use. So first installing, and then I'll try to plug in. If it works, I put it back into the case. Otherwise, I'm gonna return it. Okay, so I installed this. I followed the YouTube tutorial guide. I will put a link here. This video. You just watch this video and follow his steps, and you just install this thing in administrative tools. So you install this. After installing, you will find it here, no problem. Awesome. Okay, so I put a link there. You check it out. Yeah, now I'm gonna test it in editing. Okay, so it's successful, very successful. Look, I put this this file from the SSD. It's very smooth. You can drag it around. No lagging at all. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Filmmakers, please get SSD. Please do not use HDD. HDD sucks so hard. If it's HDD, it will be lagging like that. Okay, cool. I'm not screaming, man. I'm making a YouTube tutorial for people who want to install SSD. It's important.